Hi everyone, welcome to Flower Factor. We're outside on a beautiful wedding location, and today I'm going to show you a really cool technique how to create a beautiful flower arch for a wedding. And we're going to use the beautiful pastel variety range of Arend Roses. As you can see, I prepared already a little bit. We have our standard arch, and basically I attached some chicken fence against it with exactly the size that can fit the tubes, so we can easily clamp the tubes in. There are about 500 tubes in the shape, so now all we have to do is fill all the tubes. So we're going to start off first with a little bit of orchid roots, a little bit of Tillandsia, and then we're going to work on the roses. The nice thing of the fence is we can easily wave material through like this. Okay, the orchid roots are in. Now we're going to do the same with the Tillandsia. And we're just going to use strings like this, and we're just going to clamp it in between. And in this way we're going to cover it already a lot, and then it's time to play with the roses, and afterwards we're going to finish it off, of course. Make sure that you have a sharp knife, clean cut, and then it's just a matter of putting it in the tubes. And you can already see the effect of having all these different colors mixing together. We can set it in a certain location, lift it up easy because the weight is not so heavy. And also for replacing flowers, it's very easy. We can clean the water, we can clean the flower, so perfect technique. The nice thing about using a structure like this as a florist or event designer is you can reuse it time and time again. You can spray it in any color you like, and you can use all different kinds of roses or flowers. But of course, with the roses of Arend Roses in these 6 pastel varieties, it's a beautiful combination. So I really hope you enjoyed the technique and the result. And of course, we hope to see you next time here at Flower Factor. Bye bye.